Alright guys, it's the Ultimate Street Racer here, back with another video. Now I know that you can't really see me that well. This is my first actual vlog going out here, and I have to say it is kind of pretty weird just being out here talking to no one but just a camera. It is pretty weird, but if a lot of folk would actually see this, then they would understand why I'm doing it. But basically, if you don't know what I'm doing then today, then basically what I'm doing is I'm going out of my comfort zone, but for this year, this is where things are going to start changing for this year, because we will be going out a lot more, as you can see, which we are out right now. However, because tonight, at the time of recording this, we are actually going out to Stirling cruise meet. That's what we'll be doing today. We'll be doing a kind of like a Scottish version of Adam C 3046, which I just walked into a puddle. Which, if you haven't already, make sure to go and subscribe to him. I'll probably give you guys an update on what's to come with the channel pretty soon, maybe when we get back home. But we just left the house and there's got quite a wee bit to go. The meet's been hosted at Curry's PC World, just in the Spring Chaos. I think you can already hear some folk getting to the meet. I'm going to try not to vlog too much here, because this camera doesn't really have the best battery life, I will conceive. However, I did bring my phone for a little bit of filming backup, just in case the battery on this camera dies. So with that, I'm not going to really film too much, just of me walking to and from the meet, because it is a little weird and a little dodgy at the same time, just knowing the place where I'm at. So I'll probably catch up with you guys later on when we're at the meet. Alright, so sit rep. I'm now just on the road to Spring Chaos. I'm just going across the bridge right now. You can expect to see a lot of nice cars coming up to the meet right now. I'm just about to come up to the Ford garage now, which I will do some car spotting. Why not see what's there? Probably not much. Probably won't much be there, but yeah, we'll just see what there is at the Ford garage. Now, I've got no idea if they're actually in the car park of Curry's PC World, or whether or not they would actually be at the location where they used to be. If you remember back in that video in 2019 of the at the end of summer cruise, they were at that whole bit where Enterprises and where the new MG garages, which I think used to be at the time Peugeot dealership. But here we are coming up on Ford. Let's see what they've got. Probably not much, but this is the end of the winter season, so well, coming up to the end of the winter season, so you can probably see them restocking in a lot of nice cars. So this is just going to be like a wee teaser, a wee prologue as to what's to come in the future later on this year, so stay tuned for that. I can't get into the barriers, which I usually do when I come down here, so we'll just walk around the front here and come a bit in to the roundabout here, coming a bit close. It doesn't really look to be that much good stuff, but I'm going to save my camera battery, and if I see anything I'll maybe either take a video of them on my phone or take a picture of them, and I'll pop them in the video for you in the edit. But we'll just see what's here. Occasionally there's a few Mustangs in there, Focus season here, but the most popular in here is Mustang and the Focus RS Mark III. That could be a Marquis in there, I'm not too sure. Just a bunch of Fiestas in here. That's not. I don't know. Is that a Marquis? I'll show it to you when I see it if it is. Yeah, it is. Don't know if you could see or not, but right in there, that yellow thing. And that's a bit hard to see because I'm walking at the same time, trying not to be late for the meet. But oh, there goes a Civic. Don't know if you've seen that properly. Didn't really head down. I flipped the viewfinder, but I'll give you a static update. That's if we're probably going to the meet. But other than that, I'll keep you posted until I arrive there. Alright, so sit rep. I've arrived in the car park. Now, I'm not too sure whether it's that car park over there or that one over there. I did just see some folk and like a couple of fast forwards just drive around in here, so I don't know if it's this car park or the car park that's just right out there. Oh, B&N's already moved over here since when? I never knew that. Video not sponsored by B&N. I've got no idea if we're in this car park or that one is there. I have no idea. I have no idea if I'm entering in the right car park, because I know they did used to host meets here. I know they used to host car meets in this car park. I don't know if it's in here or what, so it's going to start in about 20 minutes or so gonna wait for folk to arrive. I'll keep you guys posted until I hear and see things, but from now, I'm signing out for now. Right, so as you can see now, I'm back. It's been a day later. So, when I was talking about earlier there, that about that I would discuss on what the future of the channel is going to be for this year. Well, I've got a few things coming up in mind, right? I'm starting the college right now. I'm not actually there right now, but for what I've got planned in the future, I will have to leave the college for that. Which I'm fine, I'm doing. Just as long as you guys keep viewing keep watching the videos, keep on getting the views built up, keep on subscribing and all that. Just make sure to hit that like button. So this is the year that I'll be getting my driver's license, yeah, and hopefully some wheels. Now we don't know. Not even I know to this point really what it's going to be. I've got a few options in mind, but I don't know if they're going to be realistic options. They might be, I might get lucky, but just gotta hope that the insurance companies will be fair on me, because if you don't know, if you don't live anywhere in the UK, then like if you're living in the UK, then you would know this. Unless if you're a little bit younger than me and don't know this, but over here in the UK, you get shafted on insurance and tax. So sadly, I can't be in like a Subaru or something like something that you guys have in America all the time. So unfair, I know. It's either we need to adopt your routes, America, or you need to adopt ours to make it a lot more fairer. But, and I think we need to adopt yours, I think. But, anyway, getting off topic. So, with that being said, we've got a few projects. We've got a project on my first car coming up. Don't know what it's going to be, so again, we'll just have to wait and see. We're going to be meeting up with my crew. We're going to be going out to more cruises and stuff. I will be getting a better camera, that's for goddamn sure. But this thing, this thing, when it comes to battery life, it is rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. And I'm sure as that you've just heard, the audio quality is not that good either. It's just a cheap eBay camera, so I'm going to have to get like a proper, like, maybe Panasonic camera or something, you know, some of the better battery life and something that's like waterproof and something that that's got better sound quality. But we've got a few road trips planned. We've got a few build videos. Of course, I'm not gonna like do any modifications without filming the whole process. So stay tuned for all of that. The road trips we've got in mind. We've got, well, we're going to be doing the NC 500, which that's going all the way around the north coast of Scotland. 500 miles of it. I will be driving up from where I am now here in Stirling, going all the way up to Inverness, and then that's the starting route of the NC 500. So from Inverness all the way up to John O'Groats, then back round to Ullapool, and back round to Inverness. I may even do 2 laps of it. May even try the Grand Tours route when they were up here. Other road trips we've got planned. We may drive up to Crail a few times. See what the Crail drag strip's got to offer. Then we'll probably take a trip down south. See what England has to offer. We'll probably check out the Top Gear Museum while we're down there. Maybe go for a few laps around Castle Combe. Maybe even around Goodwood if we have the chance. Maybe Silverstone, who knows. But I know for sure that we will be taking on the Nürburgring. And probably while we're over there, we'll probably take a trip over to Switzerland and take on the Stelvio Pass. And there's plenty more stuff coming up, so make sure to stay tuned for that. We're going to create a lot more content. I'm going to try and set a subscriber goal. I maybe want to set maybe gain 50 more subscribers. Probably not by the end of the month. I want to see the channel get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. So can we please step that up? Get me over 100 subscribers. That will be hella appreciated. But we'll start slow. We'll try and get 50 more subs by the end of the year. So please keep that going. Right, so the issue was there, folks. The camera died there, so just using my phone here. Right. So out of everything we've got here now, we've just got this, well, a bunch of Fiestas, a couple of RSs. Some good stuff coming in a minute. Got a Ford Ranger coming in. already got cats. Did he just air out? What? Out of the way. Just aired out. What? Damn, those baller wheels are cooking, man. Oh, even better, check out what we have. R33 GTST, man. Oh, things look like it. Too bad I can't stay long. You guys know things are going to get mad when someone brings a Stirling to a meet. Who knows if it's going to get as mad as it did back then. EK high. Stuff keeping on coming here like a V8 Range Rover. At least that's a V8. This could be me and my crew, guys, this could be us. Right, so let's now go and just check the meet out and see what there is now. Just way off here, in the very back, we've got a roof bin. Sounds like someone's already here by now. Could be more stuff coming, we don't know. I think we already got some more coming. Can you see that E36 there? We already seen that one. Oh, yeah. They're all coming in. Go around, probably maybe see that R33, we've just got them that. You know a meat's going to get pretty big when an R33 arrives. isn't it? This, then the R33 Skyline TTST. Absolute baller. Oh yes. Absolutely done for the wins. Oh, I'm actually taking videos over here. Yeah. Of course, the usual vector. Nah. all that, but not not as much as I was expecting. Hopefully someone will think back and that. Just got to see one of them. Probably just sit around the entrance, wait till the most arrive or leave. See what arrives, I guess. Well, look, I won't be here for too long, so I'll probably miss a lot of stuff. If I'm going to start doing stuff at NMC style, then this is probably going to be my spot where I'm going to see like cars coming in and leaving, so I'm probably not going to know that logistics come up. We'll see in the future what the happens. The most quietest beyond the river. Quietest me on the river. And just like that, guys, I think I may want to make my departure. There's not much happening at this event, so at least not as of right now. I would stay a little bit longer, but got caught. If you did enjoy this vlog, then please make sure to give me a like. Tell us in the comment section down below what you guys thought of it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates or videos. I can only apologise that I haven't been creating a lot of videos just because, well, just in the process of waiting for my licence and in the middle of college, you know, I haven't got much time to create much content, so there will be more content coming soon, later on in the year. I will guarantee that, I promise you.
But from here on, we can only just wait for a wee bit longer, but don't go anywhere. I'm still here, I'm still making content. Just need to try and find time to make it all happen. So with that, this is the Ultimate Street Racer signing off. See you next time. Peace.